Hi everyone, we are so excited to have you join us today. Welcome to British Sausage Week. This is a special time where we come together to celebrate one of the most beloved and versatile foods in British cuisine. Each day, we're celebrating the delicious versatility of sausages with a different dish you can easily make at home. From traditional recipes passed down through generations to modern twists that will surprise your taste buds, there's something for everyone. Whether you love classic British flavors or want a twist, we've got you covered. Let's get cooking. We'll be sharing tips, tricks, and secrets from top chefs, as well as stories from sausage enthusiasts across the country. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Stay tuned for mouth-watering recipes and fun cooking adventures. Welcome to day 2 of our culinary journey. Today we're diving into a classic British comfort food toad in the hole with Herby batter. This dish is a delightful combination of savory sausages baked to perfection in a fluffy golden batter infused with fresh herbs. Imagine the aroma wafting through your kitchen, filling your home with warmth and comfort. It's the perfect meal for a cozy evening, whether you're sharing it with family or enjoying it solo. We'll guide you through each step, from preparing the batter to achieving that perfect bake. So, gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and let's get started on making this traditional British favorite. Trust us, once you try it, toad in the hole will become a staple in your recipe collection. Let's cook up some magic. Steps. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. While the oven is heating up, take your sausages and place them in a frying pan over medium heat. Brown the sausages evenly on all sides until they are halfway cooked. This step ensures that the sausages are flavorful and have a nice, crispy exterior. Step 2. Now let's prepare the Yorkshire pudding batter. In a mixing bowl, combine 200 grams of plain flour, 4 large eggs, and 200 milliliters of milk. Whisk these ingredients together until you have a smooth batter. For added flavor, you can mix in some fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a hot baking dish. The heat of the dish is essential for the batter to rise properly and become light and airy. Step 3. Carefully place the browned sausages into the batter in the hot baking dish. Make sure they are evenly spaced so that each piece of the toad in the hole has a bit of sausage. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the batter is golden and puffed. The result should be a beautifully risen toad in the hole with a crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. Enjoy your delicious creation. Serve garnish with a sprinkle of parsley. Serve with veggies and gravy for a real pub-style treat. Did you know that sausages date back to ancient civilizations? The Sumerians in Mesopotamia made the first sausages around 3100 BC. Sausages were a popular food among the ancient Greeks and Romans. They were often served at feasts and celebrations, adding a flavorful touch to their banquets. Imagine a grand hall filled with the aroma of sizzling sausages as people gathered to enjoy good food and great company. This tradition of enjoying sausages during special occasions has carried on through the centuries, making them a timeless favorite. In the Middle Ages, sausages were a staple food for many people. They were easy to preserve and could be made from a variety of meats. As communities transitioned from the ancient feasts of the Greeks and Romans to the more austere yet equally vibrant gatherings of medieval times, sausages remained a beloved culinary mainstay. Picture bustling medieval markets where sausages were sold alongside fresh produce and baked goods, each adding its own unique flavor to the tapestry of medieval cuisine. This ability to adapt and endure through different eras showcases the sausage as more than just a food item. It's a piece of living history. The word sausage comes from the Latin word salsis, which means salted. This refers to the preservation method used to make sausages. Salt was a crucial ingredient in ancient times, not just for flavor, but for its ability to preserve meat for long periods. This preservation technique allowed sausages to become a durable food source that could be transported and stored, making them invaluable for travelers and soldiers alike. Over time, the word evolved, but the essence of what makes a sausage, a blend of meat and seasoning, often preserved with salt, remains unchanged. British sausages have a rich history. with countless varieties that reflect the diverse regions of the UK. From the coiled Cumberland sausage to the herb-infused Lincolnshire sausage, each type has its own unique flavour and ingredients. The traditional pork sausage, black pudding and white pudding are just a few examples of the variety found in British sausages. Each type tells a story of local ingredients, traditional recipes and cultural significance, making British sausages an integral part of the UK's culinary heritage.